Hello my dear CIS scholars, welcome back kids. In the last session we did the chapter 9. In that we have seen the types of clock and how to read the time. Now in this session we will learn the days of the week and also we will do the student book exercise under the section Let us practice. Kids, do you know there are 7 days in the week? Now we will see these days one by one. Okay. You also have to say with me. Sunday, Sunday. It is the first day of the week. Monday, Monday. Monday is the second day of the week. Then Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Then Thursday, Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday, Friday. Friday is the sixth day of the week. And then Saturday, Saturday. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. So these are the names of the days. So kids, you have to learn this name of the days. Okay. Kids, first we will recall how to read the time and what are the things in the clock. Okay. So kids, this is a face of clock and it has numbers from 1 to 12. Now here can you see the two hands like us, but here the clock has one long hand and one short hand, and the long hand is called minute hand and the short hand is called hour hand. The short hand moves slowly and the minute hand moves little bit fast. The kids, here can you see here the minute hand is pointing towards 12 and the hour hand is pointing towards number 4, means it is 4 o'clock. Kids, now we will do the exercise. Let us practice on page number 152. Read the clock and write the time. So kids, can you see here the minute hand is pointing towards 12 and the hour hand or short hand is pointing towards 7. So it is, can you tell me the time? Yes, it's 7 o'clock, right. Now here the minute hand is pointing towards 12 and the hour hand is pointing towards 8. So it is right, it is 8 o'clock. Now the minute hand is pointing towards 12 and the hour hand is pointing towards 11. Means it is 11 o'clock. Correct. Now here the minute hand is pointing towards 12 and the hour hand is pointing towards number 6. So it is correct. It is 6 o'clock. Third exercise. Which day comes in between? Fill in the missing days. Now which day will come between Tuesday and Thursday? Right, it is Wednesday and the spelling is Wednesday. Wednesday. Now, which day will come between Monday and Wednesday? It is Tuesday. 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 Which day will come between Friday and Sunday? Yes, it's Saturday. 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 Kids, that's all for this session. Now in the next session, we will start a new chapter, chapter 10, Money. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.